everybody. This is Amanda with the Sumter County Museum, and if you are watching this video, that means that you've probably been to one of our Backcountry Living History Days recently and received a take and make colonial craft bag. This video is going to show you how to make a whirligig. Whirligigs were very popular toys among colonial children, and they would have used materials that are different from what you received in your craft bag. They probably would have used something like a wooden button. What you received in your bag, a thick circle made out of paper with 2 holes in it, and a piece of string that's about 2 feet long or 24 inches. And we chose to use the paper material because we wanted you to be able to color on it. So here's one of the designs that I did, and I used crayons. You can use what you have. And on one side, I did the color wheel. You may recognize that. And on the other side, I did a different design. Whenever these spin, it creates a really neat optical illusion that I'm going to show you in just a second. So, to assemble your whirligig, it's very simple. We want to take our string and we want to thread it through the 2 holes in our circle. So I'm going to go through, and I'm going to pull, and then I'm going to take that same end, and I'm going to go back through the other hole. I'm going to pull that. I'm going to get my 2 strings, and I'm going to line them up. I'm going to tie a knot. If you don't know how to tie a knot, I bet you there's somebody around that can help you. So no worries. So as you can see, tie a knot. And I'm going to go ahead and tie another one. We want to do this because we want our knot to be very secure. We don't want it to pop while we're playing with it, right? So you're going to have a tail. So if you have a pair of scissors, you can snip off that tail. If not, don't worry about it. It's not going to affect anything. So now we have a loop made out of the string that we received, and we threaded it through our circle. So we have created a whirligig now. We just have to learn how to use it. Sometimes it takes a little bit of practice to learn how to use it, but if I can do it, I promise that you can do it. So here we go. We're going to get it started by wrapping it around our index fingers, and then we're going to wind it up, and then we're going to pull and loosen, pull and loosen. Whenever I say pull and loosen, you can see right now I'm pulling, so my hands are moving further apart, and then I loosen them, and that means that they move closer together. Each time that happens, my circle in the middle changes direction. So that's the side that had the more intricate design on it. And then whenever we look at the other side, this is the color wheel. So the optical illusion is, whenever it spins very quickly, it looks like a rainbow. You guys see that? Really neat. So you can also gamify this. If you have a friend and you can make another whirligig, you can see who can do it the longest, and you can come up with different designs for your optical illusions. And you know, we hope that you guys had a great time at our Backcountry event. We have several of those a year. We also have performances and book signings. And just check us out, see what we have going on. We're on Twitter, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, and we would love to see you at the museum.